Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to a MacBook. First, let's open your settings by clicking on the Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then, select System Settings. Next, navigate to the Bluetooth section. Make sure that Bluetooth is toggled on. Under My Devices, you'll see devices you've connected before. Below that is Nearby Devices, which shows new devices available for pairing. Now, go ahead and turn on your Bluetooth headphones. Some headphones need to be put into pairing mode. Usually, you just need to hold down the power button for a few seconds to trigger this. If it doesn't show up, check your headphones manual for the specific button combination. Once your headphones appear in the list below, go ahead and click Connect. You'll see the device move up to the My Devices section. If a prompt appears asking for permission, just click Accept. Sometimes you might need to enter a passkey and hit Enter, but that's rare. After this first time, your Mac should automatically connect whenever you turn on your headphones nearby. Once connected, you can quickly manage or switch your sound output by opening the Control Center and clicking on Bluetooth. That's it! That is how you pair Bluetooth headphones to a Mac. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.